Hey guys, Nate from HogLights here. We're going to show you how to install a set of the FusionFX LED indicator replacement units. These little puppies come in either an amber or a smoke coloured lens. They're a bright amber light and they're just a pure indicator replacement. They'll fit pretty much any Harley for the last 30 odd years. Anyway, let's have a quick look as to how to install them. To change them, just grab your trusty screwdriver, flat blade, insert it into the little slot at the bottom of the lens housing. Just drop the lens cap off, grab the bulb, pull the bulb out, and we'll put the smoke ones in on Salty's bike. Grab the lens, push in. There is a little slot for it to sit into. There we go. Pop that in, and then just pop the lens on and you're done.